guys, it's A-Man here, and I am here with my friend.
Hey, buddy! Hi!
Am I a dog?
And this dog is chewing on his pants.
Stop it!
Nobody's gonna review this. Oh, God.
Lenny.
Oh, God. Oh,
Lenny,
God.
Lenny,
Oh,
Lenny,
God.
look at the camera. Look at the camera. No! This is Lenny.
Puppy.
Lenny time. In the video I was gonna make, I was gonna say Lenny time. I guess I could say in this video.
Oh, God. Oh, God. You're so gullible.
Ow!
You're
Ow!
so gullible. Oh, God. Oh, God.
You love my pants, Lenny.
I'll hold the phone. I'll hold the phone.
It's fine.
Oh,
I can put it.
God.
Ow!
Right on your
Here's
foot.
Lenny.
Right on your foot.
Tricking me.
Here, hold the camera.
It's right there.
Hey, guys. Welcome back. Look at the little puppy right there. Look at the little puppy. He's crazy. Look at that. Oh, God. Oh, God. Look right there.
As the recent video I just made a couple, I think like 3 hours ago or so. Ow! My room is empty. And I am...
No, he's going to get new equipment. Look what he did to the wall. Look what he did to baseball, which is not even real.
It's fake.
It's fake.
Fake.
Well, look at all this room. Look at all this room. Look at all that. Look at all this room. Look at that. Look. Look at that puppy. Look at that puppy chewing on his feet.
And he's going up my feet again. I wish I could... There he goes. At my leg. Stop it, Lenny. You're a crazy dog. If you guys want to say in the comments, I have a crazy dog. No, not back.
No.
Come here, Lenny. Well, that's going to be the end of this video, and see you later.